Back to Scooby Algo Trades. I just on a different microphone today. But let me see. Where did we leave off last time? I had a couple of recommendations. If you want me to begin with them, I'm actually surprised something happening here because I was going to turn off this one. I'll explain that in a minute. Uh, okay, it was in the middle of something though. Um, First of all, let's see. I don't know if I already mentioned Study Fetch, right? These guys don't sponsor me or anything, but it's almost like Google LM, okay? You can check it out if you want. Kaggle, I just learned from, I've only just joined it, so I'm going to search about that, okay? You can do, there's competitions and, all right, it's worth checking out, okay, Kaggle. And I'm just using other stuff here. That was a recommendation there, Kaggle. And I was using here, you can go into Hugging Face and use the Llama 70B model, and I believe it doesn't have any rate limits or anything. So, but the only thing, it's not very good at coding algorithms, to be honest with you. There was other things I was testing out today, and obviously they're not working very well. There's that one. So there's no point even mentioning that. I think it was a pair trading one, which I got from other recommendations from ChatGPT. And I was also asking it what weighted means. And it's basically, it just uh, basically adds more importance to certain parts of your data, any part of your data. So, simple example is an exponential moving average is a type of weighted mean where recent prices have higher weights. So there we go. Learn something new every day. An EMA is a weighted mean. So we could be using things that are weighted all the time. That comes up very often, things that are what's weighted one way or another. Um, so I've been trying a couple of different things and might as well get the other recommendations out of the way. I think there were one of them was books and another one was the actual trading strategies from books. So here's 20 trading strategies or ideas from popular quantitative books. One is pairs trading, momentum strategies, mean reversion, machine learning for alpha, which is what I'm trying in this one, okay? And the thing there, volatility breakout, event-driven arbitrage, sector rotation, statistical arbitrage, short volatility strategies, trend following, Kelly criterion for position sizing, seasonality patterns, earnings drift strategy, factor investing, forex carry trade, market microstructure alpha, dynamic hedging, dark pool data analysis, options tier arbitrage, and sentiment analysis with NLP, not neurolinguistic programming, natural language processing in this case, which is also a sort of machine learning, I think. Or is it? I'm not sure if you call that machine learning, but it's natural language processing. It goes off and scrapes data basically and uses them to, you know what I mean. Um, so I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff as you see. I was meant to make a video yesterday, and I also tried to make a video today, but then kind of doxed myself a little bit. So uh, there was no like easy way to just edit off the end, so I just restarted the video because it wasn't that hell of a lot I said anyway. So there's Fetch, there's Kaggle, there's recommendations, and there's books as well. But look, you can ask it what books. I don't need to tell you. You can ask ChatGPT what books yourself. All right. And now this one's going through a back test. The accuracy is only 51% here, which isn't great. It's only a little bit better than average, or sorry, random. Um, so that's what that looks like here. And that's where we are at the moment today. So I'm going to go off and look at more Kaggle stuff to see if there's any um, things in the competitions here. Maybe I can find an algorithm that looks okay because the ones that we're doing at the moment are not showing up anything good. So let's see if we can find something. This looks like it might be a short video today after all. Uh, well, yeah. All right. Another thing. Well, this came up. It's confusion matrix, which does kind of confuse me. 1 and 1 here would probably be the best. No. All right, you are confusing me because 0 0 seems to be the best because it's up, giving me the most money. Is that money? I don't know. All right, I'm not sure what that is. Let's say accuracy of 51%, right? Which is not great. Anyway, another recommendation for you today. I guess this is the recommendation day. It's backtesting now. Okay, it doesn't look very good anyway. I thought the point of the machine learning is that it's supposed to increase the accuracy. Maybe it's just not possible. I don't know. Another recommendation here is lseg.com. Okay, so I just came across it on Kaggle there, or Kaggle, whatever. He was saying to use the econ library. I was saying, what's that? And ChatGPT said it's a whole thing here that you can use for data. I said, okay, I'll go look at it. And then I looked up this. Now, it doesn't give you prices. So you got to sign up and maybe be a member or whatever. Depends what level then you want. Tick history, data stream on demand. There's all sorts of data that you can do. It's not exactly a recommendation because I haven't used it, but it's something I came across and it sounds interesting. I don't know if they give a free thing, do they? We can check it out later. Okay, we got it. We just got a, oh my goodness, look at this. From 2019 to 2024. What is all this? This is the machine learning, is it? What? Oh, that one looked pretty good there. That one's the best one, isn't it? Look, if that is one. I don't know what all those other things are. Oh, that one's good. I mean, if it kept it straight all the way. Depends. What's a portfolio value? Started there. I don't know. Really, I need to get much more better visual representation here. Total return minus 100. No, well, they're terrible then. Total return minus 100%. Oh my goodness. I don't know if these machine learning things are working properly at all. We seem to be just messing around here. I'm not getting anything. What does that mean even? All right, I'll just say this is the result of the alpha algo. See what it says about that. And all right, I think I might forget about it. I don't know. Could sign into that and see if it has something. It's a free one, maybe. I don't know. But it also has a Python pip install thing, so you could check that out as well if you want. So I'm not sure about that one. This one, I was looking at the submissions here of some old competitions. This one was the Optiver Trading at the closed competition, and you can see they're using all sorts of machine learning here. K-fold, time series, splits, like GBM, sklearn. Right, so they're doing, and here's a whole bunch. See, only some of them in the competition show their actual work. So I don't know. And some of these competitions in Kaggle, whatever it's called, are years and years ago. So I don't know what to make of this. Certainly a lot going on here. Different cells, so they must have done it in a, what do you call it, notebook? What do you call that? Jupyter or something? You can copy and edit the thing. What does that do? Competition rules. Oh, you gonna put in your phone number? What? Jeez. Kaggle. What is this thing? Cancel that anyway. Dark theme. Okay, I did it. So it does give you the ability then to copy it, I suppose. Copy cell link, embed cell. So I really don't know. I got to check more about this. What I'm saying is, there's not that much financial stuff in it, really. You know, or like there's a lot of scientific stuff in it and everything. It's not just for trading. Like here's another algorithm that someone did. I mean, I don't think I could just put that straight in because it also has other dependency. It's bringing in other code there. It's doing it on the S&P 500 anyway, by the looks of it. But this is just going looking for other algos basically. I mean, some of this is literally in Chinese, is it? No, it's doing bid and ask things here, so you need bid and ask data for that anyway. And he's doing bid and ask, so that could be doing imbalance, which is probably what you need to do. Yeah, there is some Chinese now. Look, yeah, drilling down into the data deeper is probably where you're going to find traits that are not so obvious. That might do better in. I think that might have to be one of the other steps. And there's another idea I have for pre-market trading as well. Again, that's data that's sort of like not really usually readily available. So, all right, just looking around for other ones. I don't know what's happening here. I asked it for probably gave me a new code, did it? No, backtesting, adjust, next steps. Would you like me to do this? Yes. Go ahead. This one's still nothing. All right. Like here's a Yahoo Finance data set, 500 companies from 2018 back. Where's it forward? Oh, can't really tell. It's too much. Well, there you go. You could download that. You need some data, I guess. Finance data. There you go. Another one there. You could just download that. Somebody has downloaded that. At least they're sharing data on here. That's good. What about algorithms? I don't know. How do you search? Quant. Competition 3 years ago. Quantum machine. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. Quantitative Trading 4 years ago. 10 files, usability. Right, this is just going to take a bit of digging into. You come across all sorts of things here. NVIDIA. I bet this file does not have a description. Open, high, low, close volume. 10 files. Oh, it's got a .h5, so he must have learned. He must have done some machine learning on it. Oh yeah, it's a pre-trained model. It doesn't tell you much about it though. It's got SPY and Tesla in it as well, and the VIX, which is the volatility index on the. It's on options, I think, is it? The VIX. Anyway, he doesn't say a whole lot about it, does he? LSTM for prediction. Trading agent with TensorFlow. Random forest. Okay, so here's some other people in here that are sharing some stuff, I guess. Trading agent with TensorFlow. Okay, does he give the code or? I'm looking for runtime 3 hours. Nearly 4 hours. Again, it's a lot of Chinese or Japanese or something. Grant ready. What are these people doing in here? Here's the code. TensorFlow. Okay, well, HODL. Well, this is interesting. I don't know what to do with all this new information here. Right, well, there you go. Now have fun browsing around there if you don't know about it already. Right, you see, so for example, here's the leaderboard of one of the other ones. And only some of them are given their solutions, right? So most people don't like to make their work public here by the looks of it, I guess. So Colton Smith and then these other guys contributed to here for this solution. This is 4 years ago. Jane Street market prediction. Now, it's cross-validation strategy, deep learning model. Okay, so I suppose that's what we need to look at, like different competitions and have a look at their strategies. Can you search some details under XG boost model? Max tree depth, number of trees. Also how you weighted or blended these two models. He said, please see more details here. Okay, like is there a code or there's code here? Jane Street market prediction, but this is the code of this particular. So that's not what we want, or maybe it is. I don't know. Data rules. Again, back to the solution here. It's a supervised autoencoder approach. Bottleneck with a Keras tuner. All right, this is all new to me, so I'm a bit overwhelmed here. I'll give them a like anyway. Deep learning neural networks, yeah. So, how about we click on that link? What did he give earlier? So it's this. It's a discussion, but not as code, right? It did say solution there somewhere, didn't it? The official indicators. Our notebook. When we finally submitted, we made some changes. But most of them not changed. You can check our notebook. Regardless of the model, inclusion, whether it's online or offline. let's have a look at their notebook then and see. No, we're back to this thing again. As I said, have fun digging into this if you're trying to look for algorithms, I guess. Okay. I forget where I am now. The other things. It happens when you're kind of doing stuff and then trying to research, and then you get side quests again. All right, so it came up with a new code there, and it's just I have to install imbalanced learn or something. Pip install, another pip install there. All right, and then sort of Scooby that one, see how that one works. And we're getting a lot of errors or something. Not surprising, I suppose. Also just noticed this view tools here we can use. Oh, I thought I saw O1 for reasoning there. Anyway, give it those. See what it does with that. Might have to cancel this one and then see what happens there. Right, I think I'll wrap up this video for now. Again, not much in the way of results today, except we got something looking like a little ship with a chimney stack here, if that's anything to go by. And it looks like I've opened up a whole can of worms with this Kaggle thing. But at least we might get talking to some serious quants and stuff and actually see their work. All right. So let's call that progress then for today and leave it there, because if I don't, I'll end up messing up this video again, because I have already recorded 2 videos before this that I messed up. So that'll have to do for today. Thanks for joining us here on Scooby Algo Trades, and there is a Discord down the bottom or somewhere for, again, I just want to say, a low pressure area, place or whatever to just come aboard, share your algorithms, your ideas, if you're only learning, or join along with me on the me or anything else. I don't mind either way. If you're teaching me or if you're learning from me, it doesn't matter. Join in for discussion. As I said, low pressure environment there, and the Discord, you can join it there. Tell jokes or post YouTubes or whatever, but mainly try and keep it to quantitative finance if you can. And yeah, just, I don't know, somewhere to go. You just want to make it your own. There we go. At least we're getting some views anyway. And I think we have 1 subscriber, so there we go. So anyway, I'll continue doing these for a while. If it helps, let me know. Give us a thumbs up or a comment or something. That one didn't do much, did it? So follow along. Who knows? Maybe this time next year I'll be a expert. Let's see. Watch this space. Bye for now. Scooby-Doo.